Okay, students, I want to show you how to use the tools, in particular, the line. So instead of using pencil to draw a line, I want you to use line. This will make a nice straight, even line rather than with pencil, it's squiggly and hard to manage. So if I say underline the word that means child, girl child, you would underline daughter. The same with this ellipsis or circle. I say circle the word that means your spouse. In this case, it's wife or husband. Oops, let me just clear that. Husband. Wife, circle. So underline, use the tool that looks like this. Just pull it under. Circle, use the ellipsis and just drag over the word. Now, you can also use the line tool to match. We're going to be doing a lot of this kind of work in the future. So, oh, that's not even correct, is it? Mother or father's sister is aunt. So I can connect. And I might want to change the color. Your aunt's son or daughter is your cousin. Sometimes changing the colors will help things stay clear. Your mother or father's parents, grandparents. And mother or father's brother is uncle. Okay, I hope this helps.